How to upload music to Spotify on Android. Hello guys, this is Sarah from Create, Login and Delete. Let's get started. So first, go ahead and open the app and then click on the setting icon at the top right corner. Scroll all the way down and you'll see the option of Local Files, show audio files from this device. So make sure to turn this feature on and you'll be able to add tracks from this device to your library. Click on Allow. So next, click on Your Library at the bottom and you'll see the option of Local Files. If you don't see it, close the app and then reopen the app and then click on Your Library. So you can click on Local Files and you can click on the three dots to add to a playlist. So if your local files is still not showing, you can email Spotify support and let them know that local files is not showing for you. Now, if you're a creator, then you can't add your own music here. You'll need to do so through a music distributor. So this is how to upload music to Spotify on Android. Thanks for watching till the end, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.